Meaning of elusive.
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 Elusive. The term elusive describes something that is difficult to grasp, pin down, or understand. It commonly refers to things that are fleeting, evasive, or intangible, such as an elusive butterfly or elusive happiness. This can also apply to concepts or ideas that are hard to define or capture, like the elusive nature of time or the elusive quality of beauty. Overall, something that is elusive tends to be hard to catch, define, or fully comprehend, making it a challenging target or goal to pursue.